Did you know that changing your curtains can instantly elevate your living room from bland to breathtaking? Whether you want to create a cozy sanctuary or make a bold style statement, the right curtains can pull your entire decor together. Stay tuned as we reveal expert tips on how to perfectly match your curtains to your living room's color scheme and patterns. Welcome to Fabric Art Decor, where we guide you through the transformative power of fabric in home styling. Today, we're diving into a key element that can elevate your living room's look: curtains. We'll explore how to match patterns and colors, creating harmony between your curtains and overall living room decor. Whether you're aiming for a minimalist look or something bold and eclectic, this guide has you covered. First, let's begin by identifying the most popular curtain styles. Curtains come in a variety of fabrics, each serving different purposes. For instance, sheer curtains create a soft, airy feel. While velvet curtains exude luxury and warmth. Blackout curtains provide privacy and light control. And linen adds a natural, organic vibe. Understanding your fabric options will be key to achieving the right balance in your living room. Think about your living room's overall function. Is it a cozy space for relaxation? A place to entertain guests? Or is it a family room where practicality matters? Matching your curtain fabric to the room's purpose is the first step toward creating a cohesive look. Now that you've chosen the fabric, let's talk color. The color of your curtains can make or break your living room decor. A well-chosen curtain color can tie the room together, while the wrong color can clash or overwhelm the space. Here's how to get it right. For a subtle, timeless look, neutral-colored curtains like white, beige, or light gray can blend seamlessly with most living room designs. Neutral curtains are perfect if your walls or furniture already feature bold patterns or bright colors. But if your living room is on the neutral side, don't be afraid to go bold with your curtains. Rich tones like navy blue, emerald green, or deep burgundy can create a striking focal point. For an elegant, cohesive look, stick to analogous colors, those next to each other on the color wheel. For more dramatic flair, use complementary colors, like a deep blue curtain against a mustard yellow accent wall. Next, let's talk patterns. Patterns add personality and depth to your space, but the key is balance. If your living room already features patterned furniture or a textured rug, opt for solid curtains to create visual harmony. Too many patterns can feel overwhelming. If your sofa has a bold, floral design, consider choosing curtains with a subtle texture or solid color that complements one of the colors in the floral print. On the other hand, if your furniture is solid or neutral, don't hesitate to make your curtains the star of the show with bold patterns like stripes or geometric prints. Also, don't forget about texture. A smooth satin curtain paired with a rough-hewn, woven sofa creates an interesting contrast. You can mix and match textures in your curtains, throws, and cushions to build layers of visual interest in your room. For a well-rounded look, keep the 60-30-10 rule in mind. 60% of the room should be your main color like the walls. 30% should be a secondary color like your sofa or rug. And 10% should be an accent color. This is where your curtains can shine. Layering curtains is a fantastic way to add dimension to your living room and give you flexibility. By combining sheer curtains with blackout panels, you can adjust the light and mood in your room throughout the day. Layered curtains also add warmth, both visually and literally, especially in colder months. Start with a neutral sheer curtain to let light in during the day. Then add a patterned or darker solid curtain that can be drawn in the evening for privacy. The layered look is not only practical but adds texture and sophistication to your decor. In summary, matching your curtains to your living room decor is about creating balance. Start with fabric and color. Play with patterns and textures. And don't overlook the importance of length and layering. Curtains can truly elevate your living room's aesthetic and make your space feel complete. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest ideas for transforming your space with fabric.